guys, this is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. So for today's video, I'm back with another video and another episode of my top 5 favorite makeup looks. If you don't know what this is, then this is a series that I have started and I've been doing since quite a few days now, where I talk about my top 5 favorite makeup products and they are from each category of makeup. Like I talk about my top 5 favorite primer, foundation, concealer, powders and everything. And for today I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite face palettes. Face palettes are something that are very helpful and very useful. At least they are my favorite because they are compact. They can be carried with you and you don't have to carry 3 to 4 different products. You can just carry one little palette and you have a lot of things. Like for example, if I'm carrying a face palette where I have a bronzing or a contouring product, where I have a blush and I have a highlighter, I can easily use it for my eyes as well. So they are very versatile and you can use them in various different ways. So they are my personal favorites, and for the first one that I want to talk about is Contour de Force face palette. It is in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. This is by Sugar Cosmetics. This is the one. And if you guys have been following me or watching my videos since long, then you must be knowing that I love this palette. This one has a bronzing product, like a contouring product over here, and then there's a highlighter product, and then there's this blush, and all the products that you get are very pigmented, like I'm showing you. This is the contour, this is the highlighter, and this is the blush. They are not at all chalky. You see, like the contour one is a very less pigmented. Like I won't say that they are less pigmented. The color actually is very soft, and this one makes it versatile a lot. You have to work very nicely with them. You get to work with it. So if you're an amateur and you are just trying out makeup for the first time, then I will highly recommend you this product, because first of all, this product is very inexpensive. It is for rupees, how much it is for? It is for rupees 7.99 only, and you can find Sugar Cosmetics on amazing sales all around the year. And secondly, because this product is not that crazy pigmented, so as I told you, if you are just starting with the makeup game and just trying to, amp up your look, you will get your full freedom to work with it. It is not like that once you apply it and then it is just kaboom. There is a lot of product, you have to work with it, and while you're working with it, you can learn and practice quite a lot so that it doesn't show up on your face very crazily. So yeah, this is the first one I wanted to talk about. And for my second product, I wanted to talk about something which is actually expensive but was very inexpensive to me. This is LA Colors So Cheeky Blush and Highlight Palette, and this is in the shade, what shade? Peaches and Cream. This is how it looks. I guess you have seen this in one of my video, maybe in the Puja time, the Duga Duga series. I have used this one. And yeah, this is the product. You get one matte blush. Actually, this blush, I'll tell you, this is such a nice color that even I can contour with this product. It is a little peachy though. If you are from a warm or a neutral undertone, then I guess this palette will work. Like this color will work for your contouring. And these two are the blushes, which are very shimmery, and they are also very much pigmented. Like let me show you. You see the pigmentation, they are very pigmented. This is a bronzer. You see that dent, that is by my nails, and I don't even remember when did that happen. So this is the bronzing color. You see that bronzer? Oof, I would love this color on my eyes, Like I won't do it today because it will ruin my look, but this is a very nice bronzing color. And also if you're from a darker skin tone, you can also use this as your highlighter. But for real main highlighters, you have these two products. One is a peachy shade of a highlighter and this is a whitish one. And these are the two highlighters. Let me just swatch it for you. You see they are very blinding and very pigmented. They are a very nice product. When I'm using the highlighters, I actually mix both of them because both of them mixed makes a very good champagne tone, and I love champagne highlighters. So yeah, I love this palette. As I told you, if you can use this as a contouring product, well and good. Otherwise, you can use this as your bronzing product, as your blushes, for your highlighters and for your eyes. Like, I love this palette. By the way, the price of this is rupees 950, but I got it on 50% off, and I have seen this product all around the year on 50% off, and you get it for rupees 475. So 475 for this beautiful thing, I am up for it. So yeah, let's move on. Let's move on to our next product. For next product, I want to talk about Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. This is the one I'm talking about. It is a mini small palette. It doesn't have a blush, but it does have one matte contouring product, one bronzer and one highlighter, and 3 of them are crazily pigmented. Like, I'm not joking, let me show you. They are so soft. When I'm touching the pans, they are so soft. And you see the pigmentation. This is the pigmentation I'm talking about. I hope the camera is doing justice to the product, because it is a very nice product. And today I'm wearing this contour. Actually, I have worked with this contour, and I love this product. Also, I love the fact that how mini this is. But even after that, the pan sizes are not that small, so it lasts you for a very long time. It is for rupees 850 only, and also Makeup Revolutions are found on sale, so great. So you can find them on great discounts as well. So they are a very nice product. This is a very nice product, and Makeup Revolution does make some amazing products in amazing price ranges. So I love this product, and I guess this is a copy, or maybe I'll tell you a dupe. This is a dupe of some product, maybe from Too Faced or somewhere from any international brand. I'm pretty sure. I cannot remember the name, but I have that palette in front of my eyes, but I cannot remember the name and the name of the brand itself. So yeah, this is a very nice product. As I told you, they are very pigmented. Also, this contouring product is very fine to work with. This contouring product is so soft that it gives you the full freedom of working in any manner you want, whether you want it on your cheekbones, or if you have some curved area like on my cheekbones, or a flat area like my forehead. It gives you the full freedom. Trust me, I love this palette, but more than the palette, I love this contouring product. So yeah, this is the third one I wanted to talk about. For the next one, it is also a very hyped up product, and also it is a lot of people's favorite as well as it's mine. This is the Maybelline Master Contour Face Contouring Kit, and this is the one that I'm talking about. You have seen this a lot of times on my channel. I've used this quite a lot of times, and you get one contouring product, a matte one, a matte blush and a highlighter, and 3 of them are very nicely pigmented. Like, I won't say that they are too crazy pigmented, but yeah, this palette gives you the freedom of working. Like, if you are again starting off with your makeup game, if you are a starter and amateur and you want to just test and try your contouring products or your contouring methods and everything, and you don't know how to do it perfectly, although I don't know it perfectly till now, but I'm happy with the way I'm doing it. But if you are just trying it out, try this product or this product, because these are not that pigmented. So what happens is, if a product is very pigmented, so once you are setting it on your face or putting it on your face, maybe you have done your foundation and then you just put the very pigmented blush, then it is a very big problem. Although I'll tell you that this is a hack, that whenever you have a lot of pigmentation going on, I mean pigmentation from any product like blush or contour, you just take your beauty blender and then you just dab a little bit. But again, if it is a too pigmented blush, then it's very difficult to get it removed, and also in that process you lose your foundation as well. It moves your foundation, and that's a mess. You again have to do the base again from the start, from the very beginning. So if you are a starter, start with this one. Then you can go on with other contouring products when you excel in your method. So yeah, this is a very nice product. Also, this is a very nice product for your eyes. Like, all the products I'm showing you are good for your eyes, but this palette, I've used it quite a lot of them. More than using it as a contour or a blush or a highlighter, I've used this as my eyeshadow palette. And once I carry this in my bag, then I am set. I just need to carry a foundation, a powder, maybe a primer, and sometimes I don't even carry a primer if I'm traveling in winter season. Maybe a concealer, because sometimes I do end up doing my concealer with a little more of foundation underneath my eyes and a little bit of primer, and that's it. I'm good to go. I don't have to carry anything else. So it is a very nice product. I highly recommend this product for all the starters. Although I'm not recommending everything, these are my top 5 favorites. These are my favorites. Doesn't mean that they have to be your favorite. They work for me. Doesn't mean that they have to work for you the same way. So do not think that I'm recommending these products. I am just telling you how these products work for me and how these products, make me happy, if I say so. For the last product, it is a pricey product and it is not yet available in India, and I don't know when it will be. This brand is not yet available, and this is a very talked about brand, or maybe a brand that has been in use for a very long time. Like, if you follow makeup line or makeup industry, especially international makeup industry, then you must be knowing about this brand. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. First you see the packaging, like how cool the packaging is. The shade and light has been embossed and they are 3D. Like if you can see from the camera, if the camera is picking up the 3D portion. And then you have this palette. It is a very heavy palette, and once you open it, you get these 6 shades. You see there are 3 contouring shades. Like one is a very dark neutral one is very warm tone, and this is another cool tone one, and then you have 3 highlighting shades. But these 3 highlighting shades are matte highlighting shades. Like they are very good for settling your concealer or setting your face, like for like normal compact powder, but they brighten up your skin tone, like especially when you want some brightness under your eyes. They work really nice. And for these contouring products, I'll show you. These are the shades. Like let me just swatch the powder. You see how soft and how pigmented these powders are. And also for the contouring products, like sorry for this nasty swatch, but yeah, if the camera is picking up, they are very nice, they are very soft, and you see how crazy pigmented they are. I know they are crazy pigmented, but again, if you are a starter, I don't think that you have to purchase this product. But yeah, if you are into makeup, once in a lifetime you will go crazy for this product, because I haven't seen anybody, any makeup blogger or any YouTuber who does makeup for his or her passion, or if they are a makeup artist, they are away from this palette. Like this palette is a crazy talked about palette in the makeup industry, and it's a very nice product, especially because they have so many shades, so you can work with it with any skin tone. Like no matter if your skin tone is warm or neutral or cool, even if you're doing your friends or sisters or your relatives, or maybe if you're a makeup artist and you have to do anybody's makeup, then just grab this product and you are good for your contouring, for your bronzing, and also for setting the face or the concealer. Also you see the shades are written over here, and you see these small dots. These small dots are actually holes from where if you just press the products from the back, these products will come out. Like the pants are refillable. The products will come out like this, and then you can get some refillable pants. Maybe you have finished 1 or 2 shade, but there are other shades remaining, and you don't want to purchase the whole product because it is a costly product. It is for $49. I mean $49. What am I even saying? It is for $49. Please do the maths on your own, and you do not get it here, so you have to get shipped. Also, I don't know if Kat Von D delivers in India, but yeah, I will link down my tried and tested Instagram page from where I get all the international makeup, that is Beauty Horizon. I will link them down in the description box. You can check them out. They got it for me. So yeah, that is what I was telling you. If you want to get 1 or 2 shades from here, then you can easily get them. And also the shades are written very nicely. Also, Kat Von D is a gothic style of a makeup brand. Like everything is in a goth form. And I love this product, especially looking at it gives me so much joy. So yeah, with this I'm over with my 5 face palettes, and I hope that you liked this video. Also, this video was a little helpful. As I told you, don't have to get everything from here, but if you wish to check them out, they are linked in the description box. And yeah, if it was helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell, because that will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. So that is being said, I'm going to leave this video right over here and right now, and I promise to see you on my next video. Bye.